With the advent of digital technology, social media has become a significant part of people's lives, including professionals. It has provided new ways for individuals to connect and build professional relationships with people across the globe. Social media platforms offer a continuous medium of communication to expand career opportunities and professional contacts. In this video, we will discuss 8 steps that can help professionals network more efficiently and effectively with social media.
Welcome to Zapped.
Why is networking with social media important? Networking with social media is crucial for professionals in today's fast-paced digital world. With the explosion of social media platforms, individuals now have the power to expand their professional networks and connect with people from all corners of the globe. Social media provides an excellent opportunity to build and foster relationships, create new partnerships, and explore exciting career prospects. It is a powerful tool that can help individuals improve their written communication skills and gain access to valuable industry insights and information. In short, networking with social media is essential for anyone who wants to succeed in their career and take their professional development to new heights. How to network with social media. Step 1. Write a brief personal message. To establish a professional relationship immediately, write a brief personal message when connecting with others on social media. The message should be personalized and mention a common interest or mutual friend. However, keep in mind that the recipient may read the message on smaller screens, so it is essential to be brief. Step 2. Network with individuals at all working levels. Networking with employees at all levels can offer mutual assistance and advice. Even professionals in entry-level positions may someday offer job opportunities or positions. Therefore, it is crucial to connect with individuals who may be in different career stages. Step 3. Join groups or pages of interest. Joining groups or pages dedicated to specific topics or subjects can help connect professionals with shared interests. Introducing oneself on the homepage of the group can help to build professional relationships. Additionally, it is crucial to be active and participate in group discussions, share insights, and connect with other group members. Step 4. Ask for advice. Asking for advice from individuals in managerial or executive positions can create a situation that can develop into a professional relationship. Continued communication with these individuals can open up opportunities that can benefit the professional in the future. However, it is essential to be genuine and respectful when asking for advice. Step 5. Be helpful when you can. Helping others when the opportunity arises shows that the relationship is mutually beneficial. Opportunities may arise in the future when a professional in a lower-level position may be able to offer advice or help achieve a new role or position. Therefore, professionals should be open to helping others whenever possible. Step 6. Engage with posts and articles. Engaging with posts and articles can help to establish a professional relationship with individuals in the same field. Professionals can offer their opinions or share their experiences in the comments section. Additionally, it is essential to share relevant content and engage with other professionals' posts to build a rapport. Step 7. Participate in virtual events. Virtual events can help professionals to network with individuals in the same field or industry. Participating in virtual events can help to build professional relationships and expand career opportunities. Professionals can also showcase their expertise by speaking at these events, which can lead to new opportunities. Step 8. Use social media for follow-up. Social media can be used for follow-up communication after attending an event or meeting a professional contact. Social media can also be used to keep in touch with professional contacts and build relationships over time. However, it is crucial to maintain professionalism and respect boundaries when using social media for follow-up communication. Conclusion. In today's digital age, social media has become an essential tool for professionals to connect and build professional relationships. By following these 8 steps, professionals can network more efficiently and effectively with social media. Networking with social media can help professionals to expand their career opportunities, develop new partnerships, and build a robust professional network. Therefore, It is important for professionals to use social media platforms to their advantage and establish meaningful relationships online. However, it is crucial to remember that networking with social media should not replace face-to-face interactions entirely. Professionals should aim to strike a balance between online and offline networking to build a comprehensive network. In conclusion, by following these 8 steps, professionals can leverage the power of social media to build professional relationships, expand their network, and enhance their career prospects. Social media networking is a valuable tool for professionals in today's job market and should be utilized to its full potential. What are some creative ways you have used social media to build professional relationships and expand your career opportunities? Leave a comment below and let us know about your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more videos like this.
I've tried everything to grow my social media and nothing works.
Have you tried Zapped NFC cards?
What are those?
They're the best way to grow organically. You upload your social media details, you meet people, and then you share your info with just a tap.
Really?
Now go out and grow your social media.